All right. Hey everyone, my name is Mari Church, and this is my presentation for the major career and plan ideas that I have for myself for our discussion board this week. So let's get right to it. So this is me right here. And the job that I chose is behavior analysis. And I thought this job was really cool because it works a lot with people setting why they do what they do and how to change that, how to improve, how to change, how to become better. And it also may have a little something to do with the fact that I watched, I'm forgetting what it's called now, but a show about how they solve crime and their behavioral analysis, and they were like profiling the people the murders are trying to catch. Anyway, but what it says a behavior analysis study and develop plans to improve or change certain aspects of human behavior. They might work in hospitals, schools, correctional facilities, government departments, and more. There are a variety of patients or clients they might see, including brain injury patients, psychiatry patients, children, and veterans. All right, so responsibilities and duties, what they do. It kind of talked a little bit about it in the description, but some things that they do are meeting with families, teachers, and other clients to discuss behavioral problems that need to be addressed. That would be more like in schools and things like that. Also observing behavior in environments, collecting data related to the frequency, duration, and rate of concerning behaviors, generating graphs to track changes, analyzing information to determine appropriate interventions, applying techniques to achieve objectives, and adjusting interventions as necessary. And this is kind of just like generally what behavioral analysis duties or responsibilities might look like. They also have more specified ones depending on which, where I guess you end up going. Whether you end up working with children, veterans, schools, government, like it said before. All right. The education required. So, kind of obvious, but you need a graduate degree, but specifically in applied behavior analysis. And so that is one way of doing it. Another way is kind of a fairly new approach, newer option since January 1st of this year. If you have a master's degree with any specialization, within psychology, like related, you can get certified as long as you complete some also additional coursework that is approved and follows the guidelines of the Behavior Analysis Certification Board, which makes sense. Also, this is kind of related, but not, you need to pass the BCBA exam as well. All right, how it relates to my 4-year plan. So I'm fairly new to the psychology major. I just switched it after coming back from my mission. But my plan right now is to major in health psychology, which will give me the background I need, and it will help me to be able to support me when I get my graduate degree in applied behavior analysis. Why I'm majoring in psychology. So these are probably, maybe sounds like simple reasons, maybe reasons a lot of you have for majoring in psychology. But I love talking and working with people. I feel like I'm fairly good at talking with people. I want to help people. And I want to do something important and feel accomplished. I want to go work every day and feel like I'm doing something. I'm moving. I'm improving. I'm helping. And I also have family and friends that have benefited from the use of psychology, whether it be like through therapists, counselors, and I really believe that it does help. Yeah, that is my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you later for maybe another presentation, or not. I don't know.